Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you can see, today we're going to be working on the Dodge 1-ton with a 5.9 liter Cummins in it. And what we're going to be doing today is new sway bar links. And I've decided, I had some leftover paint from the paint job for the rocker panels and all the way else, everywhere else around the truck. And so I decided I'm going to go ahead and take the rims off and paint those as well. The majority of this video is going to be about the sway bar links, though. I'm not really trying to show you guys how to paint rims because it's a pretty self-explanatory job. So we're going to go ahead and get started, get the rims taken off, and we'll show you how to do your sway bar links. Alright, so as mentioned before, we're going to be doing our sway bar links. These are Moog brand sway bar links and bushings. They came from rockauto.com, quite a bit cheaper from there versus O'Reilly's or AutoZone. But first thing we're going to do is come over here, and you don't have to take off the wheels or even jack the vehicle up, but I wanted to because I wanted to have a look at our brakes, considering I've never actually had the rims off this truck before. I wanted to go ahead and look at a couple different things. As you can see here, those bushings are beyond wore out. This boot down here is still intact, but I'm sure it's probably getting pretty dry in there because for some reason the factory stuff is never greasable usually. So but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this nut here on top and then this nut down here on the bottom. So looks like the top, or the bottom one there is going to be a 15mm socket, and top's gonna be a 16mm socket. Trying to do the best I can on this video. My cameraman is running a little bit late here and hasn't quite showed up yet. So oh wait, actually
that camera out of
all right, now we got our camera.
Oh, you go first.
No, go ahead.
What are we doing today?
Anyway, so now we got the cameraman here, so there he is. Say hi.
Hello.
So now we're gonna go ahead and really get started now. I hate when there's that one tool that you just desperately need, but when your entire garage is in your toolbox, you just can't find it.
Yes.
Okay. One. Bingo, this will work. So, gotta get our other battery. So, because I drained that other battery, taking those plug nuts off.
Wow.
They were on there. Alright, now where's my... Alright. We have some major plans for this here truck. Major. If you guys didn't catch that. We're going to try and add another 400 and something horse to it. Why? Just for fun. Like the Emperor said. Alright, so alright, now we need our swivel.
Looks limp.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, but it has torque.
That's all that matters, right?
That's right.
Wow.
Well, let's not do that again. one down. Anxious to see how this works. As you can see, it's just turning. So, you know what I need?
What's
And
that?
if any of you guys want to donate that to me, I need a cordless ratchet. Kind of like a cordless impact. I need a cordless ratchet. Oh no, there's a skeeter. Watch out. It's going. See if we can even get a drill on it. No. All right. Let's try a ratchet. There she goes. Now let's just get our impact here. Swivel. Every other tool known to mankind on our drill at once. Oh boy. Our U-joint's about to fail.
That doesn't sound very good.
Oh no, it's good. We just destroyed our freaking universal joint. No big deal. If you want to donate one of those, go right ahead. As you can see, that pin is nice and bent.
Oh no.
That's what holds our U-joint
It's
together.
forever flaccid.
Whatever, we got ratchets. We got hand tools, don't worry.
There's a pill for that.
If you guys have a suggestion on what turbo I should put on this here truck, it'd be greatly appreciated if you'd leave it down in the comments or message me at Curbside Mechanics on Instagram or Facebook. We have a Facebook page too.
MySpace too.
Oh, URL.
Farmville.
AOL. No Farmville account. Now we need to get our hammer, if I can get up. So, now you just need to might help if I hit it. So this is about the time where you'd pull out the pickle fork and hit that instead of doing what I'm doing, but we don't have one of those, so this is what we're doing. So as you can see, we had to get the channel locks to get that washer off, but I would definitely say this is old and no good though. So let's get our new one. Alright, so here's our two sway bar links. You've got the old one here. Make sure your new one comes with the two bushings, two washers, and two nuts. And make sure it has this grease cert in the back of it here. And you will want to grease that. So. Alright, so you need to get something that can hold this little thing from turning here, whatever it's called, and then just go ahead and tighten with a wrench here. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the sway bar link job. Before you snap everything back together, you want to make sure you go ahead and grease these sway bar links. We have to go pick up a grease gun and some grease because mine is packed away in storage. So we're going to do that and then finish up these rims, and that'll pretty much wrap it up. Alright, so we're back from O'Reilly's and had to make a sonic run, and let's get down underneath the truck and grease these sway bar links.
I'm up, they see me, I'm down. I never knew my father.
Oh, so we got the grease gun working. I'm not gonna tell you how though.
It's a secret.
You gotta subscribe.
It's company policy.
You just really need to grease it until you see some grease coming out, and then you can take her off. to the other side. And as you can see here, we're just pumping her up. See a little bit of grease coming out, we're good. I don't like it where it's coming out, but whatever.
As long as grease is leaving the vehicle somewhere.
Somebody kill it.
I never knew.
All right then. So, all right. So we're done greasing, and we're going to now finish painting the rest of our rims, and then we will capture some footage of that and show you guys. Be right back. All right, so just wrapping up the project today. Finally got the rims all painted, as you can see, looking a lot better. Did kind of didn't do any expensive paint or anything like that. It was honestly just paint that I had left over from another project. And sway bar links are good, done, greased, everything, shiny new parts. So that's about it. So if you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any comments down in the comment section down and below. And that about wraps up this project. So we will see you next time. Thanks.